Hello friend, today I have Chevrolet. Customer complaint, compressor stop working. When I diagnose, we have got air condition, pressure sensor, low voltage. How to diagnose easy and how to repair. This is 3-wire sensor, 5 volt, ground and signal wire. First thing first, we check in live data. We have live data 0. You can see there is 0. Compressor stop working. How to check step by step and how to repair. This is 3-wire sensor, 5 volt, ground and signal. This is a common fault wiring issue in this car. When I check diagnose, there is problem in the connector wire. You can see this is the connector. Zoom, you can see short together, 5 volt short to ground. This is the connector. This is the reason compressor stop working. I repair and fix the wire, then check live data. Clear the code. In live data, I repair the wire. You can see how many bar pressure inside. Before 0, maybe 900, 800 kPa. Must be, I fix the connector, you can see must be 900. 924, no, it is okay. Thank you for watching.